Hello and welcome to another 1 minute Scrap Stats tutorial. I'm Fernando Guillén, I'm the creator of Scrap Stats, and today we are gonna see how can we scrap and monitor numbers from a YouTube profile. We do the same process as we do usually. We go to the scrappers, new scrap, and we put the name. In this case, it's gonna be YouTube GDC subscriber. So GDC is a nice resource if you are interested in game development. It has very nice talks. But this is not part of our tutorial, so we go to complete the setting of the scrapper. We take the URL, and now the selector, as you have seen in other tutorials of this channel, you can go to the CSS selector capture extension, because we are developing the scrap stats extension, but still it's not ready. So we have to fall back to one of the third-party solutions. We activated, we remember to deactivate verbose mode, and we select what we want to monitor. Now we want to monitor the number of subscribers from this channel. I click on the three dots, I click in the copy icon, and then I can paste here. We can say that we are finished already with our scrapper, but in this case it's not going to work. And the problem is that YouTube and many other applications has a pre-acceptance of privacy conditions, or something that only happens when you are a new user on this web page. And Scrap Stats is always going to be a new user for these web pages. So we have to see how Scrap Stats see this page from its perspective. To do so, we can open an incognito window, new incognito window, and then we can open the same page. We open the user in the incognito window, and then we see what the Scrap Stats is going to see. It's going to see this pop-up, and in this pop-up, of course, it's not the number we want to monitor. We want to click on this I agree button. So let's teach Scrap Stats to click on this pre-condition pop-up. We have to go down to the advanced options, which are optional always, but in this case we need it. And we have to go specifically to the pre-click selector. We use the same extension as we have used before to choose the normal selector, but in this case it's going to be to select this button. I want to do the pre-click on it. So I just click in the three dots, I click in the copy icon, and then I can paste it here. So Scrap Stats now is going to click in this button before the scrap is actually done. We can test this, we just close this, we create our scrapper, and we click in the scrap button just to test that our scrapper is going to work automatically in the background. We wait some seconds, we can make a slip to our T, and here we are. Our scrapper has been created, our first data point is here, so we can just close this window, and Scrap Stats will continue monitoring this number. You can do this for any other number on the YouTube profile. Just remember to set up the pre-click selector, and it's always the same pre-click selector for any YouTube page. So you can just reuse this one. You can also use the button duplicate this scrapper, so it's gonna solve you some steps on your process. Thank you for listening. I hope you are enjoying the Scrap Stats. See you in the next.